Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to delete Whatnot account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Whatnot application. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete Whatnot account. So you can permanently delete your Whatnot account through either the Whatnot app or website. Account deletion is permanent and cannot be undone. So you can go when you're in Whatnot, go to the bottom right corner and click on account. Now scroll down and select preferences. So as you can see here we have, as you can see you'll be on here. You can scroll down and click on preferences. So as you can see you have a lot of options, but preferences is somewhere here in the, let's say, almost bottom. Click on preferences and here of course you'll see some information about your account, etc. But in the bottom side of the screen, as you can see, we have, as you can see when you go down, so scroll down, we have account management and then we have delete account. You can click delete account and you'll get to of course Google, where it will get you to the section where you can delete your account. So tell us why you like to delete your account. You can choose a reason, tell them more, and then click permanently delete account. Just be of course cautious, because this will delete your account permanently. This is not only a temporary deletion of the account, so just so you know. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.